Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Well, actually, we're going to be taking a break from the FNAF 2 series in this video, and we're going to be making Talking Ben.
Bang.
Yes, you heard me. Talking Ben in Scratch. This is actually going to be a very quick tutorial series, as it's only going to be one episode, and we will finish the entire project in this one. So I'm going to be doing this episode differently, and I'm going to be splitting it up into chapters. So we're going to start by adding voice detection. Then we're going to move on to making Ben actually answer, and then we're going to finish off by adding the images. And no, we will not be making something that looks like this.
Oh my god. Oh hell no. Oh my god.
Okay, so we're going to start by making a new sprite, and we're going to be calling it phone button. So what this sprite is going to do is it's going to start off when you click it. Ben is going to like pick up and just say Ben, so we're going to go to upload costume, go to talking Ben, go to buttons and get call and call to. So as you can see, they load in. So I'm going to drag this to the corner, like right about here, and then I'm going to go to when flag clicked, switch costume to call, and then we're gonna go to about x 215, y negative 155, and then we're gonna grab a go to front layer. So as you can see, it starts as on, perfect, and then we're gonna make a new variable, and we're gonna call it on call for all sprites, and then we can set on call to 0 at the beginning. So then we're gonna add a forever loop. We're gonna grab an if and an if else. So first, we're going to grab so it's going to be if mouse down and touching mouse pointer, then if if on call equals 0, then set on call to 1, else set on call to 0. So then what we're going to do is going to add a wait until not mouse down. Perfect. So now, if we go to on call, you can see that you can click it and it changes. Perfect. So now we're just going to add a switch costume to, and for the first one, we're going to make it switch costume to call to, and we're going to make it switch costume just call. So, as you can see, it works perfectly. Alright, so the next thing is we're going to go to the first sprite, which is the cat. He gets to live for now, and we're going to start by when flag clicked, and we're going to make a new variable called, you can hide on call, initial volume. So what this is going to do is it's going to make Talking Ben adapt to like any volume level. So what we're going to do is we're going to set initial volume to loudness. So loudness is a variable that's going to basically control this whole project. So as you can see, if I tick it so it's on, as I talk, the variable changes, which is perfect, which is just what we need for this project. So we can grab a forever, if greater than, and then we're going to grab 1 plus and drag it to the second, this little space. Then it's going to be initial volume plus 20. So if loudness is greater than initial volume plus 20, then it will reset timer, and it will wait until we're going to duplicate this script, and we're going to change it to a less than. So wait until loudness is less than initial volume plus 5. And then what we're going to do is we're going to grab an if timer. If timer is greater than 0.5, then we're going to grab an if on call equals 1. Then we're going to make a new block, and we are going to call it response number. Add an input, and we're just going to put a little hash symbol. And we're going to keep the run without screen refresh unticked, and you'll see why in a second. So we'll grab this, then we'll put the response number here, and we'll just grab a pick random 1 to 4. So then this is so for now, as a placeholder, we're just gonna add a say number. And then we're gonna make another variable, and we're gonna call it in answer. So what this is gonna do is it's gonna track if Ben is currently responding, so he doesn't respond multiple times too early. So we're just gonna set in answer to 0. Then we're just gonna drag a wait, 0.5 seconds. So we're gonna drag in answer to 1 and then 0. And we're just gonna duplicate this to go at the top right here. Perfect. And then we're gonna drag an if around the whole thing. And it's if in answer equals 0. So the script will only happen if Ben is not currently talking. And as another check, we'll add a wait until here at the bottom. A wait until in answer equals 0. Okay, so now we can test it. So as you can see, while I'm talking, nothing happens, as he's not in the call right now. So if I press the green button, and now I talk, as you can see, when I stop talking, he responds. And then it waits for him to stop responding, which is perfect. And each time, he gives a different response. Okay, so that's the end of chapter 1, where we just made it so he can talk. Pretty simple, right? Okay, so next up, we are going to be adding sounds. So, first, we are going to go to sounds, upload sound, go to Talking Ben, sounds, and just grab all of the sounds and open them. So delete the meow, and you see you have a bunch of different sound effects. I'll just turn down my volume. Yeah. So what we're going to do is we have to reorder these so they work a little better. So we're going to drag the yes to the top, no below it, then ho ho ho, then then the 5th and 6th ones can be pick up and hang up. So,
yes,
perfect.
no,
So now, if we go to response number, if we go to the define response number, we can get rid of the wait and say, and we can just go to play sound until done, and then we can just grab number. So as you can see, I'm going to click this button, and I'm going to talk, and he is going to respond. So you can respond, right, Ben? And it's working perfectly. So as I talk,
yes,
and when I stop talking, he responds. See? It works perfectly. Okay, so next up,
no,
okay, I'm going to stop the project. So next up, we need to add Ben actually picking up and hanging up. So what I'm going to do is I am going to make 2 new broadcasts. So we are going to go broadcast. So the first broadcast is going to be pick up, and then the second is going to be hang up. So we're going to go back to the Ben sprite, and then we are going to drag in 2 of these when I receive blocks, when I hang up and pick up, and we're just going to drag a play sound until done. So for the first one, it's going to be when I receive hang up, play sound hang up until done, and then when I receive pick up, play sound pick up until done. And then what we have to do is we have to go to set in answer. We're just gonna wrap this to play sound blocks in answer. So we're gonna set it to 1 and then 0 and then 1 and then 0. So as you can see, if I call,
bang.
So yeah, as you can see now, it works like normal. Right, Ben? It works like normal, right? Ben, it works like normal, right? Okay, so on call. Okay. It works like normal, right, Ben? Ben, answer me.
Bang.
Ben, you work now, right? Right, Ben, you work? You work, Ben, right? Okay, so we're gonna go to the timer. And Ben, answer me, please. Okay, wait, let me just reset it real quick. I think I know the problem. So basically, while I'm talking and I start the project, it records the initial volume variable. So make sure that when you start the project, you make sure you're not talking. So I'm gonna try it again.
Bang.
Okay, Ben, you work, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so that was my fault. So as you can see, if you're talking and you start the project, then it's gonna adapt to your voice level. So you're gonna have to talk a little louder. So what I would do, yeah, that was kind of ridiculous how I just kept trying to make it work, but it was a simple mistake. Sorry, guys. Okay, so that's the end of adding sounds. So we can test again.
Bang.
You work, right, Ben?
Yes.
See, perfect. You responded. So one final change I'm going to make is I'm going to duplicate the set initial volume, and I'm going to put it to the pickup. Actually, no. Yeah, I'm going to put it at the beginning of the pickup. So as you can see,
Bang.
Ben, you work perfectly, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we're good. And just to test that he gives multiple responses, not just says yes, we're just going to keep testing it.
Bang.
Ben, you work, right? Ben, you work, correct? Okay, so see, now I'm going to call again, and it's going to set, and I'm just not going to talk while I pick up.
Bang.
You work, right, Ben? Okay, so now we know that he can give multiple responses. Sorry for that part being a little ridiculous, guys. So, next up is the finale of this episode, and we're going to be adding images. Okay, so, go to costumes. Sorry, Scratch Cat, you're going to have to get deleted. So delete, you can't delete, there has to be one costume left, so just leave that one. Go to upload costumes, go to downloads, Talking Ben, or wherever you have the folder saved, go to images. And as you can see, I found a way to convert images, and there are hundreds of them, which is just great. So I am going to select all of them and click open. This might take a little while. So yeah, just be patient. Hundreds of costumes right now, and it's done. That definitely didn't take a while. Okay. I'm just gonna delete costume 2 real quick. And it's taking a little while to save, but that's okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the hang up and pick up. So with the pickup first, we're going to go here. And instead of play sound pickup, we're just gonna go to start sound pickup. And then we're gonna switch costume to 004. We are going to repeat, and it's done. That definitely didn't take a while. Okay. I'm just gonna delete costume 2 real quick. And it's taking a little while to save, but that's okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the hang up and pick up. So with the pick up first, we're going to go here. And instead of play sound pickup, we're just gonna go to start sound pickup, and then we're gonna switch costume to 004. We are going to repeat 65 times. Yes, I know that's a lot. Next costume. And then we're going to switch costume. So we're going to switch costume to 93. And then for the hang up, we are going to also replace the play sound with the start sound hang up. And then we're going to switch costume to 249. We are going to repeat 15 times, which is a lot shorter than the other one. We're going to go next costume, and then we're going to switch costume to 004. And then we're just going to put back the switched answer. So let's test it real quick. So
Bang.
as you can see, it works perfectly. And I can hang up. Perfect. Okay. So next up, we're actually going to animate the responses. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate the set in answer thing here. And then I'm going to not put play sound, but I'm going to do start sound. And then now is the part where it gets a little bit weird. So we're going to get 3 if else's. Put the set in answer on the bottom to the bottom. And then we're going to grab 3 equals and put the number pink variable in each of them. And then we're going to set it to 1, then 2, then 3. And just in case, we'll grab an if, and we'll set it if number equals 4. Okay. So then we're just going to make, so just for now, we're going to go, we're going to make this little thing where it's a switch costume to blank, repeat 10, next costume, then switch costume to this. So then I'm just going to duplicate this 4 times. We can set the values soon. Oops, let's set that up wrong. Make sure the ifs are in the else part of the loop, not separated. So yeah. So for the first, if number equals 1, switch costume to 93, repeat 18 times, and then switch costume back to 93. And then for the next one, for if number equals 2, switch costume to 125, repeat 14 times, and then we're going to switch costume back to 125. For number 3, oops, we're going to switch costume to 180, repeat 35, and then we're going to switch costume to 125 again. And then for, oh, sorry, my bad, guys. So for the last if, make sure to set it to if number equals 4, else you might have some issues. Okay, so then we're gonna go to switch costume to 229, repeat 17, switch costume back to 125 again. Okay, so now let's test it.
Bang.
Ben, do you work properly? Ben, do you work properly? So as you can see, everything is working properly now, right, Ben?
No.
What do you mean? It's working right? Okay, whatever.
Yes.
So, that ends this video, guys. So,
Yes.
Ben, shut up. I'm hanging up on you.
No.
What do you mean, no? Yes. Okay, so that about ends this video, guys. So, I'll see you in the next one.